The first look at the Google Pixel 10 is here, and it seems Google is playing it safe with this one. Thanks to a collaboration between reputable leaker-owned leaks and Android headlines, we now have CAD-based renders of the vanilla Pixel 10. And guess what? It looks familiar. From the leaked images, we can see the Pixel 10 in a stunning pink shade, maintaining Google's signature design language. Alongside this leak, we've also seen the Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL, giving us a glimpse into the entire lineup. According to Android headlines, the dimensions of the Pixel 10 have been confirmed, and they are nearly identical to last year's Pixel 9. The only noticeable difference, the Pixel 10 is just 0.1 millimeters thicker. That's practically unnoticeable in everyday use. In terms of size, the Pixel 10 retains a 6.3-inch display, which is a sweet spot for most users, neither too big nor too small. It strikes the right balance between usability and comfort. And from what we can see, the bezels appear to remain the same as last year's model. While some may have hoped for even slimmer bezels, at least Google has kept them symmetrical, which helps with aesthetics. Now let's talk about that camera setup. The leak renders indicate that the Pixel 10 will feature a triple rear camera system. While we don't have exact details on the sensors yet, this is a significant upgrade for the base Pixel model, which traditionally had only 2 cameras. The camera module itself adds an extra 3.4 millimeters to the phone's thickness, bringing the total depth to about 12 millimeters, again, very similar to the Pixel 9. One design choice that continues from previous generations is the slightly curved yet flat edges, making the phone comfortable to hold. The matte sides are also here to stay, which is great for those who prefer a non-glossy grip. And yes, Google is sticking with its unusual button placement, with the volume rocker located below the power button on the right side of the device. Love it or hate it, Google is keeping things different from other smartphone makers. Another interesting detail from this leak is the Pixel 10's codename, Frankel. While the design appears to be mostly unchanged, we hope that Google has some surprises waiting under the hood. One of the biggest potential changes is the rumored shift to a MediaTek 5G modem instead of Qualcomm's solution, which has been used in previous Pixel devices. This could impact performance and connectivity, but we'll have to wait for official details to see how this plays out. Of course, the Pixel 10 won't be launching alone. It will be accompanied by the Pixel 10 Pro and the Pixel 10 Pro XL, forming Google's full flagship lineup for 2025. The Pixel 10 series will go head-to-head with Samsung's Galaxy S25 and Apple's iPhone 16, and possibly even the iPhone 17 by the time the Pixel 10 officially hits the market. Now, speaking of competitors, let's take a quick look at where the competition stands. Samsung's Galaxy S25 hasn't seen major hardware upgrades this year, focusing instead on AI-driven features. As more leaks emerge, we'll get a clearer picture of what Google has in store for us. Until then, it looks like Google is playing it safe, at least in terms of design. Whether that's a winning strategy remains to be seen. What do you think of the Pixel 10 so far? Are you excited about its potential? Or are you hoping for more innovation? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Stay tuned for more leaks, rumors, and analysis. See you in the next one. Today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.